In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right fake device test app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, let me uninstall it. Now, to install the right app, you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Play Store. And then just search for fake device test like that, and then run your search. And here is the app I'm talking of. Now tap on it and make sure it is from absolutely unique company. These are the official makers of this app, and currently this app is around 2 MBs and it has over 100,000 downloads. So if you see this, you'll know that you have the right app. To get it, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of fake device test app, then install it on your phone. Once it is done, now you can open it from here, or if you go to your apps, now we have our app here. You can tap on it to launch and start testing your smartphone. So that's how you can install the right fake device test app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.